The FTC and the CFPB just sued TransUnion for $15 million and won. Now, the reason they sued them is because they said that TransUnion wasn't treating you correctly. In today's video, I'm going to explain step by step on how this case went down and how you can be compensated for your portion of the $15 million. Guys, stay tuned. Welcome back to the channel, guys. If you're new to the channel, I'm Credit Coach Q. I create the first cloud-based software that allows you to put your credit repair experience into your own hands. If you're new to the channel, I'm super excited because I have a banger. In today's video, we're going to talk about TransUnion and his $15 million settlement. But before we get into the channel, guys, please like and subscribe to the video. This allows YouTube to push this content to a wider audience and also allow YouTube to push this within the algorithm a little more and allows us to leave these lights on. Guys, please like and subscribe to the channel. If you have anything derogatory in your credit report, I mean anything negative, charge-offs, late payments, bankruptcies, medical bills, guys, you name it, please go over to creditapprove.com. It's the website and the software that I was telling you about that allows you to put the full experience to your own hands. Guys, people are removing thousands of dollars worth of debt by themselves. They are no longer using credit repair companies. They are putting this information and this experience into their own hands and appreciating on a deeper level. Guys, please go to creditapprove.com, check out the software and start removing these items, guys, if you have anything derogatory on your credit report. Now, let's dive straight into the meat and potatoes of this video. Guys, this video is interesting to say the least. I'm super excited because this is what TransUnion gets. People don't understand that these entities are not government entities. These are private companies just like your mom and pop store. And these companies do what they want. And now the rooster is coming home to roast. Now, what you have to understand is that what TransUnion did, they wasn't appropriating their clients correctly in regards to evictions. So if you have an eviction on your TransUnion or have been a product of eviction in regards to your TransUnion credit report, this video is for you because this is why they actually got sued. So basically, TransUnion was placing evictions on clients' credit report without actually doing their due diligence. Now, these evictions caused a lot of harm towards any person that was involved on their credit report. So if you had an eviction on your credit report within the last year or two, then you probably did not or wasn't able to get a home for rental purposes. You wasn't able to actually get a roof over your head because of this eviction. Now, a lot of people had these evictions on their credit report inaccurately. Now, it doesn't matter if the eviction is yours if the placement of the debt on your credit report isn't placed properly. Now, people don't understand that everything on your credit report has to be 100% timely, 100% verifiable, and 100% timely, verifiable, and accurate, right? So people just want to just focus on the accuracy, making sure that it's accurate, but no, it has to be verifiable and it has to be timely. So if the statute of limitations of your state for that eviction is up, it can't be on your credit report. If they can't verify where they got the eviction from, it cannot be on your credit report. And those were the circumstances that a lot of consumers had in regards to their eviction, and they were not removing it. So what the CFPB and the FTC decided to do was to sue TransUnion for the damages that these evictions held towards their consumers. So this is actually huge because once you actually go into the realm of credit, you realize that it has a big hold on your life. And if you are a product of something being negatively on your credit report that you don't necessarily deserve, then you can only imagine how catastrophic that can be for your future and your present. And this is a great job by the government to actually step in and actually make a stand for the consumers on behalf that's been affected by these evictions. People are not being able to feed their kids or have a roof over them or their children's children's heads because of something that's on their credit report. And I don't think that that's 100% fair. If you work hard and you have the necessary income to actually sustain a lifestyle, I believe that you are more than welcome towards that lifestyle. So this is another thing. Now, they also got sued for another amount for a different issue. So if you have ever had any fraud alerts on your credit report, anything like that, and you did not put the fraud alert on there, you probably had a fraud alert on your credit report and you tried to go apply for something and they told you that we cannot go forward with the application until you remove the fraud alert. And you looking like, what fraud alert? I never put a fraud alert on my credit report. You call TransUnion and TransUnion do not remove the fraud alert. That is a issue and it's actually against the law in regards to the FCRA. So you want to make sure that you are not a consumer that have that issue in regards to fraud alerts. You want to make sure that if you do have a fraud alert on your credit report, you is the person who actually did it. And if you don't, if you do not do it, then you want to make sure that you get the fraud alert removed. And the way to do that is through the CFPB. Guys, if you have any eviction on your credit report, any type of fraud alerts, or if you want to put a fraud alert, you can do all of that in the My Credit Approve software, guys. This software I was telling you about, it is a game changer. And we have had clients that had these issues with evictions and they have used our software and the evictions have come off their credit report and now they don't have to really worry about it. Now, if you do want to file a claim with the CFPB in regards to the TransUnion, you want to go and do it on their website. Now you can go to cfpb.org and actually submit a complaint. Now, when you go into the website, they're going to ask you to register. Once you register, they're going to ask you, what do you want to do? It's going to be a submit a complaint button in the upper right hand corner. Click that button and then you will be welcome to the form for the complaint. You want to type in TransUnion and tell them exactly the issue. Tell them that you have an eviction on your credit report. TransUnion is not trying to remove it. They're not trying to verify it or properly assess it as being accurate. And you basically submit the complaint with the CFPB and they will remove it. Guys, let me know in the comment section, have TransUnion dealt with any of your evictions? And if so, let me know how their experience been. I really want to know how my clients and my audience is actually tailoring towards this information. So if you are ever experiencing any of these issues and if you are taking the advice that I'm giving you, leave us a comment and let me know exactly how the experience is working out for you so I can gauge the content and actually make better content in the future for you guys. So yeah, guys, let me know in the comment section how you feel about this and your experience through and through. Guys, until next time, take care of your credit and take care of yourself. Credit Coach Q out.